I'm Alan Jorgensen with Bedrock Quartz Surfaces. We're in West Jordan, Utah, which is a suburb of Salt Lake City. We cover all of the areas of the market. We have about a third of our business is direct retail consumer with 7 showrooms in Utah and soon to have an 8th open. And we do custom builders, roughly a third, 30% of that. And then production builders. We do some box store business with the Lowe's stores and Floor & Decor. We have a good side part of our business is commercial, and that's growing as well. Our mission statement is together we fulfill dreams, and we try to bring together the dreams of our company, our customers, our vendors. Those are areas that constant effort to take care of our customers and to learn from the mistakes that we make along the way is something that helps us to continue to succeed and grow. In 2002, we had been invited out to visit Park Industries. We were able to see Park's machines manufactured and see a couple other shops running, and that was tremendously helpful for us at the stage where we knew next to nothing about stone fabrication. So it really pulled back the blinders and really got to know a number of great people at Park Industries too. Our first stage of putting the machines in was more manual machines. We started off with a Yukon, a Pro Edge, and a Wizard. And then when we added our first CNC, we were able to take complex work, or what to us is difficult for an individual to do, and to execute it the same way over and over again. We have 11 Park machines, and we have 5 Titan CNCs. We have a Fusion, we have a Sabre, Javelin, a Yukon, that was our first machine that's still in place, a 2002, HydroClear water system, and a Pathfinder photo station. The machine's impact on our business is primarily about reliability, about the team's ability to get their job done well. They have reliable tools and systems to work with, which enables them to meet the production timelines, to take care of our customers, and so that cycle can just continue.
We operate at about 1,500 to 2,000 square feet a day, and a third of that business is miter. They look cool, they're awesome, they're impressive. It's very often where my polishers or my fabricators, they want to get into some of that. They want to be able to run those machines and operate them and get an overall view of how the business is run on a day-to-day basis. We love the Javelin. The power, the speed, the capability offers us everything we need. The footprint of the machine overall, the table size and cutting envelope just allows us to cut all different kinds of materials from quartzites, porcelains, marbles, granites, quartzes. The 45 capability of the water jet is a game changer. This truly sets the Javelin apart, and its predictability and its accuracy. We have 5 Titans from Park Industries. We love them, they're very predictable. We pack those machines up. We maximize as much space on that table as we can. Having multiple machines allows us to inundate the polishers and the finish team that we can keep them busy. I don't need to half batch my tables in order to keep them busy. And I can operate 4 Titans, no lie, with 3 operators, 1 to program and 2 to chase the 5 machines and keep them running.
The future of our shop is very promising because the overall system with the team, the training they have, and the machines makes us able to fulfill those customer large projects. No big deal.
We can flex up to 2,000, 2,200 square feet in a day. You're talking about a minimum of 40 slabs, pushing 9,000, 10,000 square feet in a week. Our Park Sawjets allow us to have the footage rates that we need to fulfill our business.
We like Park Industries and would recommend them to other fabricators because it's a company that has staying power and lasting power. They've got great people, and their execution to provide timely service and quality products has been great.
Park Industries is service, service, service. Everywhere I go across the country, every stone show I go to, no one's gonna have anything bad to say about Park Industries' commitment to service. We know the Servitechs by name. They know who we are when we call. They're up to date on our history. They have logs of what we've been working on. They're always quick to get back to us. Park Industries also recognizes that time is money, and so their effort to get us parts shipped out quickly before the end of the day or as soon as possible in order to facilitate quick turnarounds, that's just very, very valuable to our system.
We have recommended Park and still do recommend Park.